I chose Exeter because I knew people who already came to Exeter and they loved it and just said it was such a great place. And I also knew that they had a really good sailing team, and because I've sailed all my life, that was a bonus.
I talked to friends I knew that were here, and they said about the levels of support that's offered and the benefits of coming here, and really it was that extra little bit of difference compared to the other universities that made the choice fairly simple for me, and that's definitely the right choice.
Well, Exeter really is in a sort of pretty unique location. You're just over an hour away from Weymouth, and that enables you, if you're in the national teams. And so when I was trying to choose which university I wanted to go to, I was in the Olympic development squad in the 470 class, and the location of sort of Exeter being an hour away means that it's really easy for training if you want to sort of just pop down to Weymouth, or when you're doing training camps and all that kind of stuff. And it's a great university as well.
Also, financial support. We're very lucky to be well supported by both the Athletic Union and the High Performance Sport Department. So this last year we managed to secure 6 brand new Fireflies, which is a great achievement really, because it's seriously expensive. Not many universities are able to do that, and that means our equipment's at a level above other people's. And we've also got 12 boats rather than the normal 6, so more people get sailing more often.
I've been really lucky in my first year because they bought brand new boats which we've been able to use, and so they've been a real sort of accolade to coming to Exeter University using all the new equipment.
While I've been at Exeter, I've done fleet racing, team racing, yachting, loads of different stuff, which has been really fun, especially the team racing, because I didn't really do that before university, and it's been really good learning how to do that.
The sports scholarship programme at Exeter gives you a whole really wide range of benefits. For one, it's a really professional programme that sets you up with key financial support. It helps you out with mentoring, and sort of people within the university are always willing to help you with any problems or commitments which you might be struggling to make otherwise. And also some of the strength and conditioning and fitness support which the university gives is absolutely second to none.
For me, the highlight's probably winning the University Fleet Racing Championships. So each year there's a different set of university championships involving team racing, fleet racing, yachting and match racing. And this year I was able to win the fleet racing gold medal, which obviously is a great feeling, and it's kind of moving in the right direction, sailing well. It's a great sense of achievement. And I've also been selected for the British University's team for the end of this summer. So really it's taken my sport and my sailing from a good and a kind of fleet racing focused level right up to the top level of team racing, and I've had great fun doing that.